Hey guys, I'm back with another simple, easy and powerful pocket option 5-second strategy that you can use right after watching this video. And no matter whichever strategy you learn either from me or from some paid course, okay? Firstly, test that strategy properly in your demo account. And if you think it is working for you, then only use that strategy in your real account. Keep that thing always in your mind. And if you are new to my channel, then make sure to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to smash that like button. Now, without doing any delay, let's get started. Yeah, one thing I forgot, if you don't have an account on Pocket Option, then I have given a special link in the description of this YouTube video. You can click on it and create your account and you will be eligible to get a 50% first time deposit bonus. Not only that much, you will keep on receiving deposit bonuses furthermore when you keep on depositing inside this platform. So use the link that I've given in the description of this YouTube video to create your account on Pocket Option. So now let's talk about the strategy. So you can see there are two moving averages which I'll cross for now. Okay. So first thing what you need to do is you need to select the currency pair where you want to make the trades, okay? And then just click on this and then select this Japanese candlestick and S5. That means all of these candles are forming in 5-second time, okay? Now, in order to invest, just decide the amount and put it at here, okay? $10, $100, whatever amount you want to put, just put it. And then in time, okay, make sure this, if it is flagged, then just select this, make it clock, okay, and then click on here and select S15, not S5, okay, because we need to trade on 15-second time frame, okay. Our candles will be of 5 seconds, but our trading time frame would be of 15 seconds. Now just click on here and then search where is the moving average, just click on it and again click on it, make put two moving average at here and then just click on this edit, okay. Now your moving average period should be of 2 and then in style make it white and then click on save, okay. Similarly, now in another moving average just click on it, okay, and make this period 5, okay, and then in style make it red and then click save. Now you'll clearly see wherever the crossover have happened, okay. So for example, let's say here a crossover have happened, okay, and you can see when this candle was forming, this crossover have happened. Now this is the strategy, okay. Now you need to wait for the second candle, okay, and when it confirms that it is closed in red, and then only you need to make a trade by selecting 15-second time frame on down by clicking on lower, okay, and then most probably your trade is going to go right. Now here you can see another example. So here a crossover have happened, okay, in this green candle, but this next candle is red, so you need to avoid this kind of trade, okay. Similarly, here you can see here a crossover have happened, okay, and here another candle have confirmed, okay, it is downwards. Now you can make a trade by clicking on lower, but most probably you are going to go make wrong trade, so that's why you need a money management strategy which I'll explain, okay. So here also you can see a crossover have happened here, and here another was also confirmation, but again the trade would most probably here a trade would go right, okay, in this case because of this candle, okay. Similarly, here also a crossover have happened, another candle have shown green. Now if you made a trade, then most probably you are going to go right. So now let's wait for a crossover to happen. So a crossover have happened. Now if another grade, then I will make a trade by clicking on lower, okay, here. So now most probably this trade is going to go right, but if it goes wrong, then there comes my money management strategy, okay. Okay, so this trade went right, but if this trade was wrong, then what I would do is my next investment would be of $30, and if I had made the profit in this $30 investment, then my previous $10 loss would be also covered and some profit would also be covered, okay. Similarly, if I lose this $30, then I would invest $90 and my previous total loss would be 30 plus 10 $40, and my if I made profit in this trade, then I would cover my previous $40 loss and some profit, okay. In this way I could keep on trading, okay, and then my total risk amount would be 90 10 plus 30 $130, and my targeted profit would be of $260. Now if I did that, then what happens is if I lose $130 today and tomorrow also if I lose $130 and in third day I made $260, then I would cover all my 2 days loss, and in that way if I keep on trading, then I would make profit in short term also, in long run also. Now in case of trading, let's say in $90 you made a profit, then another trade would be of $10. So whenever you make profit, you go back to $10 and keep on trading until you reach the target of $260 profit. So this much I wanted to show you in this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then please do like this video.